Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan with the TSI 2.0 motor. So on this vehicle we're going to go over how you would change your alternator. To start with, you would definitely disconnect your negative battery cable like you would do with any electrical work, and then from the top we can do 90%, well actually we can do all of this from the top pretty much, as long as we don't lose any tools down to the ground. So to start with, the alternator is located on the right hand side of the engine, and it's right here up at the top. So there's two T30 screws. There's one screw right here, and there's one screw that goes up right into here, and this is part of the intake system. And so these two screws go in, and they're just holding this bracket, all these water lines. You don't need to take those off, but it does give you that little extra space to be able to move these out of the way a bit when you're trying to get the alternator out. And then you'll want to undo this connector by pressing and clamping, and this is just a oil pressure sensor. And then for clear access to get this out without removing the motor mount and raising and lowering the engine, we can just remove this oil sensor, and that's a 24mm wrench or socket to get that one undone. And then we can just spin this off, and that way we won't break this and it won't get in the way. So we can set that aside. Now we'll need to remove the belt. So we have a 17mm to undo the belt down here, or the tensioner, to release the tension. And we're going to release the tension, and then we're going to use this to go through the hole there and to hold the tension off. Alright, so we have the tension released and the pin is holding. And now we can just remove the belt. We don't need to remove it completely, but we just need to remove it, at least from the alternator, and set that down. And now we have 4 total bolts that are a size 13mm that we need to loosen and remove, and then there is a 13mm bolt on the back from the electrical connection, and as well as one electrical connector that we need to remove from the back of the alternator. Remove those completely first, and the one, you're going to need to try and move the fan a little bit to get it in the right alignment where you can get the bolt to come out. Alright, so we have the 4 bolts removed. Now you can pull it this way a bit, and you can get the electric connector that's on the top undone. And that's like any standard Volkswagen connector where you need to press it and push it off. And then the 13mm bolt that goes to the electric from the battery. And then we press those aside. And we're good there. And now this is where this sensor is nice to have undone, because we can put the right here and we just kind of rotate this up and out. And we have one alternator that has been removed. So that's the removal process of our alternator, and we'll show how it goes back in. So the alternator was removed, and now we're gonna go and install an alternator. So we have this access hole to be able to put it in through here, and now we're gonna work our way in here. We're gonna pull these are the water lines, and we don't want to break them, but we just can pull them up a little bit because we removed the screws. Okay, so we have that down into place, and we have the electric lines on the back. Let's start it there. And that is a 13 for the one. Okay, so we have that bolt tightened. We'll put the push electric connector on. And now we can line up the alternator and start the bolts. The bottom ones are a little bit of a pain, especially the second one over here, because you have to kind of get it in between the fan blade. So you got to move that fan blade a little bit to be able to get it to go in. Okay, we now have all the bolts started, and we can proceed to tighten them. Right, we got the 4 bolts tightened. Now we can put the belt on. Back around the crankshaft, around the AC pulley, in the grooves, and then be able to slide that around. Double check that everything is in the grooves where it needs to be. And now we just release that tension. Then we're done with that. You'll want to put your oil pressure sensor back in and snug that up. And then because we undid. There's just a T30 that goes here, T30 that goes here to make this be able to move around. And so you'll want to put that back in and just make sure you make that electric connection, and you'll be good to go. So that's how you would install your alternator on your 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.